Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are using Android phone and browsing Google Chrome. But Google Chrome Android phone not computer or PC mode. If you want your Android phone PC mode convert, then this video watching hopefully your problem is solved. Your Google Chrome icon, search and click, and this interface showing your mobile phone display for and Google Chrome, and click three dot icon, click three dot icon and desktop site, click. Hopefully your problem is solved. And types Facebook bonus types any work already your site desktop mode, or hopefully your problem is solved.